Let me set this up right here. So, hey y'all, it's me. Just got outside. I heard something. I didn't expect a package today, but we have a package from, where could I scan this out? From Pinch Me is a big package. So we're going to go ahead and see what's in here. I got one yesterday and I'm getting one today. Oh, I got a good bit of stuff. A whole roll of Bounty. My pharmacies. Let me put this down so I could grab this out one by one. My pharmacies. My Gatorade. Yeah, I think they only gave me like one packet. Yeah. My other pharmacies, this is the hair gel, face gel. Sorry. And of course, a little thing about hydration from Gatorade. Right here. And, Refi. All these are face. This is a primer. So, that is it for that box. I got one yesterday and it was my Olay face wipes yesterday. See, when do you use this? Okay, just when you use in the daytime, okay? And this, that's for the water, use it every time you wash it, like that. Yeah. Face wash and primer. Okay. But a big thing of Bounty. The quicker picker upper. Okay. So. And I just got approved for 2 more boxes from Pinch Me. So. I ain't got to worry about that for a while. So, I'm going to go ahead. What's this flavor? Oh, this is one of 30 calories. 5 grams of sugar. Yeah, I think I'll go for that. So, that's it right now. This phone will be back on charge. Give it time. And I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to let y'all go. See y'all later. Bye. Bye-bye.